Are you planning a trip to Florida but don't want to visit Disney? Here are 10 fantastic tourist attractions in Orlando, Florida, other than Disney. Number 1. Universal Studios Orlando. Universal Studios Florida in Orlando is a world-renowned theme park that brings movie magic to life, offering thrilling rides, interactive experiences, and immersive attractions for fans of all ages. Part of the larger Universal Orlando Resort, Universal Studios Florida is themed around popular films and TV shows, allowing visitors to step into their favorite cinematic worlds. With a blend of thrilling attractions, cinematic scenery, and unforgettable experiences, Universal Studios Florida offers an action-packed day for families, friends, and movie enthusiasts alike, making it a must-visit destination in Orlando. Number 2. SeaWorld Orlando. Experience the ultimate adventure at SeaWorld Orlando, where thrilling rides, captivating animal encounters, and unforgettable shows await. Feel the rush on world-class roller coasters like Mako and Icebreaker, meet majestic creatures up close, and immerse yourself in the wonders of the sea. Families will love Sesame Street Land, while everyone can enjoy educational exhibits and seasonal events. From excitement to inspiration, SeaWorld offers something for all ages. Dive in and create memories that last a lifetime. Number 3. Icon Park. Discover unforgettable fun at Icon Park, Orlando's premier entertainment destination. Soar 400 feet above the city on the wheel, offering breathtaking views of the skyline and beyond. Explore unique attractions like Sea Life Aquarium and Madame Tussauds Orlando, and enjoy a wide variety of restaurants, shops, and lively entertainment. Whether you're looking for family-friendly fun, romantic date nights, or a memorable outing with friends, Icon Park has something for everyone. Come for the sights, stay for the excitement. Number 4. The Kennedy Space Center Visitor Complex. Embark on an out-of-this-world adventure at the Kennedy Space Center Visitor Complex, just a short drive from Orlando. Walk among real spacecraft, meet astronauts, and experience thrilling attractions like the shuttle launch experience. Explore the history and future of space exploration through interactive exhibits, view the iconic Space Shuttle Atlantis, and witness inspiring rocket launches, schedule permitting. Perfect for all ages, this immersive destination brings the wonder of space to life. Blast off into inspiration today. Number 5. Gatorland. Experience wild fun at Gatorland, Orlando's alligator capital of the world. Get up close to thousands of alligators and crocodiles, watch thrilling live shows, and even zipline over giant gators on the Screaming Gator zipline. Perfect for families, Gatorland also offers a petting zoo, nature trails, and the chance to feed and hold baby gators. Whether you're seeking adventure or unique wildlife encounters, you won't be disappointed at Gatorland. Number 6. Orlando Science Center. Unleash your curiosity at the Orlando Science Center, where discovery and fun collide. Perfect for all ages, this interactive museum features hands-on exhibits, awe-inspiring planetarium shows, and live science demonstrations. Explore exciting topics like space, dinosaurs, and engineering, while kids enjoy the Kidstown play area. Don't miss blockbuster films in the giant screen theater or stargazing in the observatory. Whether you're a science enthusiast or just looking for family fun, inspiration awaits at the Orlando Science Center. Number 7. Leu Gardens. Escape into the serene beauty of Leu Gardens, a lush 50-acre oasis in the heart of Orlando. Stroll through vibrant rose gardens, tropical rainforests, and stunning camellia blooms, all meticulously landscaped to showcase nature's finest. Perfect for a romantic outing, family adventure, or peaceful retreat, Leu Gardens offers scenic walking paths, unique plant collections, and a historic house museum. Whether you're a nature lover or seeking tranquility, Leu Gardens is a must-visit destination for unforgettable moments. Number 8. Lake Eola Park. Experience the heart of Orlando at Lake Eola Park, a picturesque urban oasis perfect for relaxation and recreation. Stroll along the scenic walking path, rent a swan-shaped paddle boat, or enjoy a picnic with stunning views of the iconic fountain. The park features a playground, art installations, and frequent events like concerts and farmers markets. Whether you're seeking a peaceful escape or lively community vibes, Lake Eola Park offers something for everyone in the heart of downtown Orlando. Number 9. The Orlando Museum of Art. At the Orlando Museum of Art, a cultural gem showcasing diverse and inspiring works from local and international artists, you can immerse yourself in creativity. Explore stunning exhibitions of contemporary art, American classics, and global masterpieces. With engaging programs, rotating exhibits, and a focus on education, it's perfect for art enthusiasts and curious minds alike. Located in beautiful Lock Haven Park, the museum offers a serene and enriching experience. Discover the power of art at the Orlando Museum of Art. Number 10. Winter Park Scenic Boat Tour. Discover the charm of Winter Park on the Winter Park Scenic Boat Tour, a relaxing journey through the area's picturesque lakes and canals. Enjoy stunning views of lush landscapes, historic mansions, and vibrant wildlife as your knowledgeable guide shares fascinating local history. Perfect for nature lovers and those seeking a unique perspective of Winter Park's beauty, this peaceful boat ride offers a delightful escape just minutes from downtown Orlando. Experience serenity and scenery on the Winter Park Scenic Boat Tour. Thank you for watching until the end. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe so you can find out about more top tourist attractions in many other US cities.